Maalala natin last year, there were reported cases of theft. They went viral actually, yung sinubo pa. How is that case going and how are things now?
Yeah. Yung personnel na involved actually with the swallowing incident, she was dismissed from the service at na-forfeit po yung kanyang mga benefits, and she was actually perpetually disqualified from government service. Meaning to say po, hindi na siya makakabalik, hindi na siya makakapag-apply in any government position po.
Pero did you uncover, because of that one incident with the lady inspector, na maybe this was an ongoing thing or was that a one-off? Have we gotten to the bottom of that case? Kung talaga bang yun lang ng isang beses yun?
Isolated nga ba o modus operandi?
Yes, it was actually an isolated incident, following nga po yung mga measures natin na in-implement. Yung una, pinagbawal po natin yung wearing of jackets, and yung uniform nila pinatanggal natin yung pockets. So from there, siguro nahirapan na silang i-conceal yung mga nakukuha nila. So ang nangyari is that nag-resort siya dun sa paglunok nung pera na nakuha niya. But after that, wala na po because of our enhanced internal cleansing program.
Kim, umamin ba itong personnel kaya siya na-dismiss?
Actually, hindi po. Dinedenay pa rin po niya until the very last minute na kinuha niya yung pera, inilunok niya. However, kitang-kita naman po, and hindi naman po usual na ganun yung pagkain ng tsokolate. So, yes po. So, meron po kasing serious dishonesty, and after due investigation, nagkaroon naman po ng due process. And eventually, yun po yung naging decision po ng Office for Transportation Security.
Alam ko isa sa mga sinilip dito yung pay grade ng personnel in the airport. Has anything changed on that end?
We're actually proposing, and we have actually submitted our proposal to the department and the Department of Budget and Management. And nagbigay naman po, na-aprobahan naman po ng DBM yung aming request, and they're giving us more positions. However, hindi po ganun kataas pa rin, pero meron naman pong kumbaga difference between the current salary and yung binigay po sa amin ng DBM. So we're very thankful po sa kanila.
Marami bang natanggal doon sa internal cleansing, or was it that just that one person na nakita natin doon sa nag-viral na video?
Actually, madami na po, Madami na po natanggal following yung aming enhanced internal cleansing program. Yung pong, hindi lang naman po yung kaso nitong naglunok ng pera, but there are others na yung sa previous incident din po na mga kumuha ng gamit, natanggal din po natin sila from their post.
How many are we talking about?
There are around, I think it was 16 po na natanggal. 16 personnel po na involved ang aming dinismiss.